My name's Jeff. I'm here today with Philip. Philip, tell me a little bit about your journey and what brought you here today and you know how you're excited to get your hair back.
So I started losing my hair about 15 years ago, and back then the things that were around weren't really that great. And so recently I came across the hair systems, and so I've been looking into them, and then I happened to come across your TikTok. I want to get my hair back again. I lost it early 20s, so it's been a while.
Well, we're going to do that for you today. What kind of hairstyle are you going to go with today, do you know?
I've sort of had a look. I wanted something low maintenance, so something that I won't necessarily need to have product in every day, and just something that will sort of look a bit more natural.
So we're going to make that happen. Are you ready?
I'm excited, yes, absolutely.
All right, well, let's do it.
Perfect.
It's so good, it's so natural as well. That's just, you wouldn't be able to tell. And your shape of your face is different as well. And you're smiling, it's just so good. And on the sides, the blends, the color is just new you. How do you feel like?
I was worried that it was going to feel heavy and I was going to feel it on my scalp because I get very hot quite easily. But it feels very light.
It looks great, that's for sure. I love it.
And it was the feel of it, like just running my fingers through hair again.
Yeah.
That was really weird.
So good. And now you can style and get some products. And
I know.
Just imagine all the people that's gonna all the friends and family, they're gonna be shocked. They're gonna be in love with this. This is just amazing. Your mom's gonna be speechless. I love it.
Me too, I'm absolutely ecstatic. One of the best decisions I made was to come to the London Hair Clinic and get my hair back. If you're out there and you're hesitating and wondering if you should get this done, don't hesitate. I would just come and get it done. It was so easy, so simple, and in an afternoon I've got my hair back.